Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone 15 Pro Max that is maxed out and it's not really looking good. So let's go fix it. Just about time when the iPhone 16 was announced, this iPhone 15 Pro Max arrived at the shop with a broken display. As you can see, it's so smashed, it's flickering all over the place, and the back cover is also toast. So we're gonna replace the display and we're gonna reuse the back cover since it's quite an involved task if you are trying to replace the entire housing with the back cover. So the way we go about this is we try to remove the display first after removing the two pentalobe screws on both sides of the Type-C charging port. And this is sticky. It's quite challenging, but we're gonna use some IPA to soften the adhesive and slowly pry it open, spraying some IPA as we go along, and we're gonna lift it on one side. We're almost there. So you can see the display is not going to be reused, so if we crack this some more, it's not going to be an issue. We are going to put this up for recycling. Gonna lift it up on the left side, a 90-degree angle with our advanced holding tool, and then we're going to remove some screws that is holding onto this bracket. This plate covers the connections for the display. We're gonna detach the battery, then another two connections to the main board. We're gonna unscrew this. So this is the part where it's quite a bit complicated. We're gonna remove this part for the Face ID. Of course, if you're going to replace the display, you have to ensure that you take the parts that is needed to fend off some error messages when you try to boot up a device, an iPhone with a third-party display. So right here, it's quite flimsy. It's really nerve-wracking if you're going to do this yourself. So if you don't have the patience, don't do this repair. So have it repaired by Apple if you have Apple Care. If you don't have Apple Care, it'll already expired. Then go to a trusted repair service technician like David here. We have replacement displays. Of course, we can source those. And we also know that some parts of the old display had to be transplanted to the new display. So your fingerprint or Face ID in this case will work. We already installed it, and then we're gonna put the bracket. These screws are very small, so don't really recommend DIY for iPhone 15 Pro Max or any modern iPhones if you don't have the proper screwdrivers and the proper skills to maintain or track the number of screws that you're removing, because these are tiny screws. You can see there David is using tweezers every step of the way, and of course he's a pro, so it looks easy when we are watching him do it. But if we're gonna do it ourselves, it's gonna be a mess, trust me. So now we have reattached the battery. Of course, we have attached the display. We're gonna try this. We're gonna test if the new display works or not. I'm gonna put back the bracket, the plate for the main board. And if you're interested, if you have an iPhone 15 Pro Max and you are quoted very high prices in several repair centers, go visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. This is the actual repair service that we do here in the shop. If you're interested, David can give you a free diagnostics on what is needed to fix your iPhone 15, and he will give you a reasonable price for it. We have good reviews on Google. You can see those. We can also see our repair services on our YouTube channel and Facebook page. So if you're interested and you're in need of this type of screen replacement, message us. We can also do it mail-in repair service. You can mail in your broken smartphone, we fix it here and then send it back to you same day. So if you're from Queensland, send them over. If you're from other parts of the world, send them over. We have clients from Asia and the US, and especially on Asus ROG phones and higher end smartphones, we will fix them for you. And we're almost done. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is working. The display looks amazing, and it's going to be given back to the client, and I hope they liked the results. And we'll see you again next time. Like and subscribe, guys. We will release new videos in the coming days. And this is the before and after. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?